Hello everyone, welcome to TechPista. In this video, I am going to show you how to hide important folders in Windows computer. File security and privacy is always important for everyone because sometimes your friends and relatives using your computer. In this situation, some people do not like to share important folder to others. Many third-party apps available to protect their important folders. But how can you hide the folders without using third-party apps? Let's learn how you can do this. Open the folder what you would like to hide that. I would like to hide the secure folder. Some people simply hide the folder by using right click, go to properties, here they are, select the hidden and save the settings. Now the folder has been hidden. The problem is many people knows how they can view the hidden folders. They can go to view and enable the hidden item. Now your secure folder has been displayed. This is not the right way to secure your folder. So you have to press the shift and right click. Then you have to click on the open PowerShell window. Here you have to enter the attrib and plus S, give the space, then plus H. Then give the space and enter the double quotes. Instead of the double quotes, you have to enter the folder name, what you would like to hide. Then press enter. Now you have to go to the folder. Now you have to refresh that. See, the folder has been hidden. Even if it is enabled in the hidden item, they cannot see anything. This is the right way to hide the folders completely. So if you re-enable this folder, you have to again go to PowerShell, then you have to enter the attrib, then minus S, then give the space minus H, then under the double quotes, enter the folder name. Then press enter. Now the hidden folder has been displayed. This is the right way to hide and visible the folder from Windows computer. Thanks for watching this video. If you would like to more informative video, subscribe this channel. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.